So let's have a look at the Neo 2. If we go into the Go Fly tab and the three little dots at the top, safety tab, scroll down, and as you can see, the max altitude, the slider bar is at 120, and if you come backwards or forwards, it won't go higher than 120. So that is a new limitation since the last update, perhaps in conjunction with the CAA's new rules for the 1st of January 2026. So I will try the other drones, see if they have the same limitations. And this is the Mini 4 Pro. So if I try this one, Go Fly, three little dots at the top, safety tab, scroll down, and there's the max altitude, and as you can see, the slider bar won't go any further. That's it, it is set to 120 and it won't go any further. And finally, the DJI Air3 S. Go Fly, follow the same procedures as before, three little dots, safety tab, scroll down. There is a little slider bar on this one. It's set at 120 at the moment. It will slide up, get to 500 and it goes to amber. But that will go right up to 1,000 meters, and there is a safety warning there. You can pause it if you want to read exactly what it says, but basically just warning you that there are restrictions and regulations. Press agree and it seems to let you do that one. Go back to 500 meters and it's gone back into the white once you get under 500 meters. But yeah, the Air3 S will allow you to go over the 120 meters.